Curious how much you can spend with your Klarna card? In this video, I'll show you exactly where to find your current spending limit in the Klarna app. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Your Klarna card limit is the maximum amount you can spend using the virtual or physical card. Knowing this helps you shop confidently at any retailer. First, open the Klarna app and tap on the Card tab located at the bottom of your screen. This is the hub for everything related to your Klarna card. On the main card screen, your total spending limit will be prominently displayed near the top. You'll also see your available to spend balance, which is your current limit minus any pending transactions and outstanding balances. This view updates in real time, so you always have the most accurate information before you make a purchase. It's your go-to place for a quick limit check. A crucial pro tip: your available balance is what matters at the checkout. If a purchase amount exceeds your available balance, the transaction will be declined, even if your total limit is higher. And just like that, you know exactly how much spending power you have. Understanding your limit is essential for a smooth shopping experience. Do you keep track of your available balance before shopping? Share your routine in the comments. Want to increase your limit? Subscribe for our next video on how to increase your Klarna spending limit. Thanks for watching.